Okay, hi, assalamu alaikum. So we are on rule number 15, rule of a meme. And this is a lot easier than the noon rule, so don't worry. It's like super easy. So there are two rules, and you can tell them usually because the meme will have nothing on it. So again, that's a hint that something is up. The noon will have like the absence. There will be no vowel. There will be no marking, no sugoon, nothing. And then on the first rule we see is blending with gunna. The blending with gunna is just going to have the normal meme in the end of the word, at the end of one word, and it will have nothing on it, like I said. Then the beginning of the next word will start with a meme, and it will basically have a shadda on it, like that's it. So even if we didn't know exactly what to do with that meme, we just see that shadda and go to the shadda. That's it. Pronounce it as two, and we're going to do gunna because it has a shadda on it. So we're always going to do gunna for two harakat. So that is pretty self-explanatory. The second one is basically the same rule. It's called something else only because these are different letters. But basically, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to do gunna for two. Gunna for two. Like, that's the same rule. See, gunna with two. So, in this case, there's the meme with nothing on it. And then there's the ba in the next word, in the beginning of the next word. And that's it. You're going to just use the meme with the gunna for like two harakat until you do the ba with its vowel. So here we have tar mihim bi, right? So we just kind of hold that meme for two harakat before we go to the b. I mean the ba with kasra b. So him bi. Okay. So it's like so simple rule. And then the regular one is just clear meme, sorry. So when the meme has a visible sugoon on it, which looks like Pac-Man, which is like here, alam. This one there's no unna. You say it very clearly, and the meme is clearly pronounced for 1.5 seconds, just like any letter with the visible sugoon on it. This sugoon, you do it for 1.5 seconds. So that's the normal, like there's no rule, there's nothing, you just read it normal. Alam, it's kind of like almost two harakat, but not two harakat. So that's all for the gunna rule. Okay, assalamu alaikum. Oh, whoops, I forgot to mention that this one, any of them, the rules are blending with saying meme with gunna for two harakat. Sometimes they're gonna see the little meme, and that's the same rule. If you see this little meme, even if it didn't end with anything, it like related, it's a makulim, and then you hold it for two before you continue to the next ayah. If you were going to continue to the next ayah, since we are not gonna say kulim bismillah, whatever, then we just drop that, like it's not important, because we're not continuing. We just stop at that end of the ayah. But like there are some instances in the middle of the ayahs where there will be like small memes. Those memes are for you to just hold it for two harakat and with gunna, and that's it. So if you're wondering what they mean, that's all. Okay, bye. Assalamu alaikum.